Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up DS4Windows and connect your PS4 controller to your PC. First, open your browser and search for DS4Windows. Click the first link that shows up, then click the download button on the site. Scroll down and click download again to get the ZIP IP file. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder, right-click the zip file, and choose extract all. Click extract, then open the extracted folder. Double-click DS4Windows.exe. If it asks to install .NET Desktop Runtime, click Yes. This will open a Microsoft page. Download and install the runtime. Once done, open DS4Windows.exe again. Now choose where to save your settings. I recommend selecting Program Folder. Click Step 1. Install the driver, accept the agreement, and follow the steps to install. Now connect your PS4 controller to your PC using a USB cable. Click Start in DS4Windows. Your controller will now be recognized. It may show as an Xbox 360 controller. That's normal. And that's it. Your PS4 controller is now connected and ready to use on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.